Now offering up to 60 hours of listening experience, active noise cancellation technology, and an active equalizer preset for bass-heavy music, this bestseller Soundcore Life Q20 Bluetooth headphones model A3025 sounds almost too good to be true. Not to mention its memory foam ear cups, 18-month warranty, and an appealing price at $40. So of course, we have to check it out to see what this one is all about. Welcome to ShouldIT Headphone Series. Hello everyone, my name is Bê Nguyễn and welcome back to our ShouldIT Headphone Series. In this video, we're going to unbox this headset from Anker Soundcore to see what is in the package when you order one online. We'll also be giving our first impression on the product's build quality, design, and its general features. So without any further ado, let's get right to it. We have the headset itself, a travel pouch for convenient packing, a charging cable from USB-A to USB-C, and an aux cable. This is the user manual or quick start guide. Always make sure to give this a quick look for a good understanding of the product's various features and functionality. Now before starting to use these headphones, make sure that the charge is full. It should take no longer than 3 hours for a full charge. You can plug the Type-C end here and the other end to any 5-volt charger or any USB-A port on your computer or laptop. Those should be perfectly safe for this. Now this 3.5mm aux cable allows you to use the headphones when the battery is low or when zero latency is preferred. You can plug it in here, like that, and the other end to your phone or laptop, gaming console, whatever. Now these themselves look nice and well built. Itself feels very solid as well. As you can see, responsive thanks to the quality material, and the joints are secure and reassuring. These are easily some of the best we've seen in this price range. However, do try to be careful with them because these cost-saving options are typically not built for tough conditions. They also fold up neatly, like so, whichever way, and you can put them in the travel pouch, like so. Now the ear padding has soft, comfortable foam and nice quality cover. Well, look at this. These feel outstanding for the price. Let's try these out to see if they work with my phones here. I love listening to music, so let's see how good these are on that front. First, let's try and connect this to this Android phone here. Let's turn this on. Okay, blue lights flashing, pair. And that's done. And on this phone, I already have the Soundcore app from Soundcore. And it will show the connected device to the phone, which is this Soundcore Life Q20. So as you can see, all the features that are being offered in the app. But I want to try this dual connection or multi-point connection. So I can add another device, which is this phone here. I'll do that now. Connect new device. It's in pairing mode again. I'll turn on Bluetooth on this phone. You see if that's it. Soundcore Life Q20. And that's the second device. Well, first I'll try something light, guitar.
I can see a sea of alpine green.
This is good. This is good. Okay. Let's try something. Now let's try something with more bass on it. Let's try some hip hop.
Perfect.
That's cool. These have some very nice audio responses. Music, bass heavy or not, sounds very nice on these. The overall feel of the sound is balanced and they transition really well between songs. I love this. See? And they stay on nicely. Moderate movement. The make of the button is also solid. They're not the best or anything, but they're very solid considering the price. And as you can see, connecting Bluetooth, even multi-point connection, is easy and hassle-free. The Soundcore app helps a lot with understanding what's being offered. Audio quality is absolutely, satisfying. These are basically made for high-fidelity sounds. Complex soundscapes, such as in games or movies, should also translate well on these. Definitely overqualified for podcasts and taking calls, but Now, all in all, this is a very nice pair of headphones, well made, well designed, and they are just as good as they say. And that's our first impression of these Soundcore Life Q20 Bluetooth over-ear headphones from Anker. If you like a more in-depth review, make sure to subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos and give us a like or share if you enjoy them. Also, consider buying from the link in the description below to support us if you're interested in getting these headphones. Thanks for watching ShouldIT, and we'll see you in the next one.